guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you another video on how to fix a sunken cake. So no matter how expert you are or no matter how long you've been baking, sometimes shit just happens and your cake sink in the middle. It's not maybe because you're careless or shit just happens sometimes, and it's still a perfectly good cake. Nothing is wrong with it. So today I'm going to show you how I fix a sunken cake anytime I get it. Can you see the middle of the cake? Nothing is wrong with the cake. It is just sunken because I opened my oven too early. So what I like to do is take a sharp knife and try to cut out the overhanging edges on top. Yeah, what I like to do is make sure you cut it so it is straight and maybe one part is not higher than the other. Then stuff the part you cut off into the middle that is sunken and try to press it down as much as you can. Normally when I do this, what I like to do after pressing it down is to seal it so like there won't be air bubbles or like air bubbles popping out of my cake and just stressing me out later. So what I like to do is, okay, I was trying to talk to you guys but I didn't know my face was not showing. So what I like to do is take some of my cake filling and like just press it down into that hole even further so like there won't be bubbles coming up later. So if you notice, the second cake was not sunken, only like the first layer was sunken. So, and that was because like it didn't bake on time, so like it was, I don't know, I opened the oven too early, so it kind of just sunk. So take some of your filling, or you can use some of your, in this case I'm using some apricot jam. You can use some of the cream you're going to use to frost the cake and just seal it into it so it doesn't maybe like release bubbles later on and just stretch your cake out. And then once you do that, sometimes I do this with buttercream or whipped cream depending on what I'm using, but today I decided to use some apricot jam. Sorry, I'm speaking too fast. So now what you want to do is just layer your cake just like you normally would. Yeah, in this case I'm using some apricot jam and some whipped cream. So if you want the recipe to my whipped cream, this whipped cream, you do not need any stabilizer, you don't need gelatin or anything, just whip it and it whips perfectly. So I gave you guys the tricks to that. So if you want the recipe to that, I'm going to put the link right up here. It says click on me. Yeah, click on that. So you just want to layer just you would normally. If in your case you have like two cakes that are sunken, two of your cakes or both of the layers were sunken, well, you want to do the same thing for both sides. So like cut off the top and then just level it and stuff the remaining into the middle and make sure you seal it. It's important to seal it because if you don't seal it, there will be bubbles in your cake, and when you're done layering your cake and frosting it, you won't even notice the difference. You won't know it's sunken because it won't be loop-sided, it won't be weird looking, like it won't be bending to one side or anything. So that's all, and you have a perfectly frosted cake like this. So right now I'm going to put the last layer and you're going to see how stable and how balanced and like proportionate it is. No side is bending to the other side because I already fixed the problem by stuffing the cake into it and without wasting any cake. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please give me a thumbs up guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.